In this video, I will show how you will install and do complete setup of Git Bash in your Windows system. One more thing I just need to say, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please hit the subscribe button because all the coding related videos, GitHub updates, everything you will get it here. So here you need to search Git Bash download. If you will search Git Bash download, then it will show this link, first link. You just need to click on that first link. Here, if you are using Mac, you can go click on the Mac. If you are using Linux, you can click here. If Windows, there is a complete option download for Windows here. It will automatically sense and it will show the download button here. Okay. So you just click download here. So it will take some time to download. Once the download is finished, just click on next. It will be completely installed. Once the installation is done, then go to your desktop screen. There just right click on show more options. It will show this Git Bash here. Just click on that Git Bash here, then it would be opened. Then you can zoom it little bit. Once the zooming is done, then you just need to write some of the commands to check git minus minus version. Click on enter. If it is showing git version, some version, then git is completely installed in your system. If it is not showing, then there is something issue is there, so you need to check. Okay, if that is not visible, like that show more button, which this one, show more button is not visible, you are using Windows 10, then if these are also not visible, you just need to open your terminal. You can go to your Windows. Here you need to write terminal. You need to open your terminal and here you can write that git minus minus version. So it will show the version. Once that is done, what you can do, I will be using this git bash. If you are not having this git bash, you don't have that, you can use terminal. Okay, so here what we need to config. So what are the configuration we need to know? So here we'll write github config username and email, because this is mandatory. Without that it will show you error. You just need to copy this one, go here, paste it here. Here you need to write git config, then minus minus global user dot name. Here will be your first name and last name you need to write. Once that is done, you need to click on enter. Then here just change in the place of user name, just write user email, then write your email ID like abc@gmail.com. Whatever is your email ID, you just need to write it here. Once that two things are done, then you need to create the SSH key. For that, what you need to do, you need to just go to Google and write SSH key generation. Then click on enter. Then here you will see this link, generate a new SSH key. Click on that. Once you will click on that, it is given by the GitHub only. So it is very much trusted. Generating a new SSH key is written here. Just you need to open your git bash here. Written step 1 is open git bash. In the git bash you need to write this command, but instead of your email you just need to write your email, real email address which you have used to sign up GitHub. So if you haven't signed into GitHub, you just need to go to GitHub and log in. The very simple steps are there for sign up. You just need to give username, password and your email ID. That's it. Once this step is done, you just need to click on enter. This will create or generate means algorithm inside that one. Then you need to enter, click on enter, just okay, press enter whatever it is showing. Then here a prompt will be shown to you. Then you need to again click on enter and type phrase. This phrase you can give your name. Then it will show you again. So same phrase repeat. Let us assume I will give a phrase of Abhishek, my name. Similarly, I need to type it again, Abhishek. Then these are the steps to generate or add the SSH agent. You just need to write this one, first command. Second one is this, then agent PID. These three things you need to write. Once that is done, this is the last step which you need to do, and this is the process of adding. Once this is done, it will show or the generated RSA ID. So what you need to do, just copy whatever it is showing, just copy it. Once the copying part is done, then open your GitHub. I'm assuming that you have already signed into GitHub. Just click on the profile. Then you will see the settings here. Open the settings. Here at the left side, you can see SSH and GPS key. Just click on that. Here you can see SSH keys. Then click on new SSH key. Then give the title here. Then write whatever the key is generated there. After writing this step, whatever is generated, just paste it here. As it is, copy from there, paste it here. Then click on add SSH key. That's it. Your all the work is done, and now you can create the repositories and easily push to GitHub without any hesitation, and there will be no errors. That's all for today, guys. If this video is helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button